So once again, welcome to Shortcut Guide, and if you're to this channel, we just learn new software and how to use them. And if you want me to introduce any other tutorials or new softwares, you can leave it in the comment section below. So let's go direct to the video. Today's video I've decided to bring to you how to use all the blur tools in Shortcut. So let's go direct to the video. Now the first thing is that when we open Shortcut, the first thing is obviously to write the project you're going to use, the name of the project you're going to enter into Shortcut. Now I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but we shall move on. So let me search master blur, and then I go to help. I want to show you the type and the version of Shortcut I'm using. I'm using 2023-12-15. That means that I got it on 15th December 2023. So the first thing is obviously to go and remove and open and remove and collect all the videos you're going to use in editing, and so you bring them to the playlist. Now let me show you the videos I'm going to edit. Some of the videos I'm going to edit, starting from this one here. This is one of the video I'm going to use to show you how to edit, and this one is another one, and this one also, and this one also. This one is a short, and I collected them from one of the websites which offers free videos, which don't have any copyright on them, so I can use them. So let me bring this one to the timeline. The first thing is that obviously you will select the video you're going to edit, then you come here to properties. Let me go to filters. Then I'm going to add all the blur pads, all the kinds of blur which we're having in Shortcut. Let me first try size and rotation, and increase the size somewhere distort, and then I increase the size of this video so that I can edit it conveniently. And so let me search here for blur. So we have blur box, blur expansion, blur glance here. So I'm going to show you all the how to use all of them. So let me search here quickly, and then I add them to my filters list I'm going to use. So then let me type here the word blur and search for all of them. Then I put them here so that I can show you how all of them works, and they use some of the users, or some of them I may be knowing. So these are the blurs which we have. Let me first untick all of this, and I stay with only that which I'm going to show you. First I'm going to deal with let me bring this video on the timeline. I'm going to use this video. Let me drag it to the timeline, and so let me click on it. I'm going to come here to filters, then I copy. The good thing is with Shortcut is that you can copy a filter and then you paste it in any other video which you have put on the timeline or anywhere. So let me paste, and when I paste, so you can see how you can use glow. It makes your video or the video to glow, and you can play around with this until you get the thing which you want. This is the glow pad of blur, the black glow. So that was the difference when it was in and when it was on. So it glows, it makes the picture to be, or the video to be bright, something like that. So when I remove and put back, you can see the difference. So you can play around with that, and then until you get what you want. So let me come back here, and then I choose another blur option. I'm going to use blur pad this time. Now this blur pad is normally used to remove black background from videos edited when you have, let us say that you have done a video and you shot it using your phone horizontally, vertically like this. You can also use it to remove the background. And so what it does is that it expands your video and leaves this original video here, so you can reduce the size and also increase the size of the video as long as you want. So as you can see, that is the use of it. So another thing is that you can also, let me first go back, and you can also do what, increase the opacity. Like you don't want the background to be seen like that. And yeah, that's how you can edit using this blur pad. We normally use this one here because it's normally used by most of other people in vlogs, and it works for them. If they want to edit a YouTube video which has to remove a black background from it, this is the best of it. Then we have blur pass. I'm going to use the other video which is big, the full screen video. This one will not work very well. So let me copy again. That's the best I love about this shortcut. You copy and paste. Copy, paste here. Then I'm going to use it on this video. The blur pass also, there's not much difference with, as you can see, it also does what? It blurs the background of your video, or it blurs your video. That's how it does. It's low pass. It's a low pass, so you can also add keyframes, as you can see. And so that is how it is used. And so let me paste another one. This is called Gusan, something like that, if I pronounce it right. It's also blah blah pad something. So let me first select this video and then I play around with this. Let me go to plug the sun. Let me first go to plug the sun here, tick it, then I can play around with this. Some of these blurs are used when you want to edit videos, or when you shoot a video and you want to show that maybe a car is moving at a high speed. You can use such blurs as you move on, so you can increase the speed and then you just use that blur pass to edit such videos. So that's how it is used. Another one is called blur exponential. It is also used in the same way. Like when you want to show that it was moving at a high speed. For example, this movie is on flash. You can also say that, for example, when they say some, let me say that, lightning. Yeah, like something like lightning. So they use such blur passes. So let me also bring this video here. I'm going to use this one to show you how to use the other kind of the last blur. We have blur box. So this one is also, it also works the same, but this one is the best when you want to show that there is something is moving at a high speed, either upwards. When it is upwards, you can increase the height. When something is moving at a high speed on the horizontal surface, you can use the width, and then you edit your videos until the time which. So this is how you can use them. And so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because I'm bringing each new week a video, and I love you so much. So this is some kind of video you can use to edit. That's the kind of a video you can use to edit with blur box filters, blur. Let me search for blur. Okay, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because I'm bringing each week a video. So this is the blur pad I've used. I removed the black background from my video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me first put it up and then increase it. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select blur pad again, and on blur pad, let me select blur pad and increase the level of the blur pad. I've increased the size of my video and also removed the black background from it. Wow. So Shortcut is a free editing software. You can just download it online, and it's like it has helped me a lot. So please subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video.